Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I did these crochet passion twists using Rastafri braid. Stay tuned. So I'm going to be crocheting these twists onto flat twists, not cornrows. So if you don't know how to cornrow your hair, this is a perfect base for you. I do recommend doing cornrows if you can, and I'll explain that later. So this is the hair I'm using, the Rastafri Braid Egyptian Passion Twist. This is new, y'all, fresh at the beauty supply store and online, available now for purchase. They're really lightweight, really cute. As you can see, they look just like passion twists you would do individually, but they are crochet. So it is a single loop crochet, super easy to install. So let's just go ahead and do that right now. And it took no time. Like literally I got out the bed and said, you know what, I feel like doing my hair today, and I did it. So this is how it's done. You just insert the crochet hook, pull it through your braid or your twist, and pull the crochet twist through the loop, and there you have it. It's that easy. So let's talk about this base for a second. As you see, I am doing this crochet style on flat twist because I do not like cornrowing my hair. My hair doesn't like to be cornrowed, so that's why I chose to do the flat twist. But if you do know how to cornrow your hair, that is definitely a better, more secure base for any type of crochet twist or crochet box braids, because as you'll see when I turn around a little bit later, these twists are thick. Okay, so I had to really pile in some of these twists just to cover up my hair. So definitely do cornrows if you can do that, but if not, this works just as easy. As you can see, look at those twists, just fat and juicy and thick, just thick. That's good. I like that. But if you want a neater style, definitely do cornrows, and it'll last longer with cornrows as well. But back to this hair. Look at the shine. It's not too shiny, but it's like the perfect natural sheen. This hair is 100% Toyoka line, so you know it's not gonna be ugly, stiff, itchy, scratchy, synthetic. Like, no, this is gonna be some good quality hair, and it's Rastafri, so you know they always only put out the best product. So this hair is really good. It lasts a really good amount of time. I only wore it for about a week and it still looked good. The only reason I took it out was because it's like 110 degrees and it was too much hair for me. But you can definitely wear this style and it will last. So crochet is really easy. I have a ton of videos showing you guys how I do crochet, so that's why I'm not really talking about the process that much. But definitely, again, this is me going into the back of my head trying to add some extra pieces because my flat twists were so thick. So definitely do very small braids or twists for this style. And bada boom, bada bing, bam bam, there she is, period. Yes, this is the look, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace and love.